So this is the Stellar at 110 Diamond Point. They just finished up the framing. Garage. This is the flex room right here, and it looks like it's framed in to have the French doors. This is going to be the guest suite. Secondary bathroom. Gathering room. It's framed up for the sliding glass door. So this would all be gathering room. That's the cafe area where you'd put a dining table, and then here's the kitchen, island, pantry right over here. So again, this is the frame for the sliding glass door. And then it's got a huge extended covered patio, which runs all the way across over to here. And then this area behind us is going to remain native. It's owned by Sun City. It's got some nature preserve features behind it that are in it that we can't take down the nature. So this is going to be your view. And the lot goes approximately to that stick where there's a pink flag right there and runs across, and then there's another pink flag right over there. So now I'm standing on the edge of the patio looking at the big patio. So from the gathering room, coming to the right is the primary bedroom. And the windows are going to face the nature area behind you. Here's the bathroom. And this house will have the long, large spa shower. And then this is the closet right here. So from the gathering room to the right, there is a hallway, and we're gonna have a few things here. This is gonna be the closet for the HVAC. This is going to take us to the garage. So this is a little recessed area here. I'm not sure if this house is gonna have the med bench or not. If it does, it would go here. Otherwise, it'll just be a blank area. And then this will be the laundry room. And so coming off of the garage, laundry room is there. And then down this hallway is a third bedroom. So third bedroom. This is going to be the framing for the closet. And then when you leave this bedroom, this is the bathroom for that bedroom. And it'll have a toilet and a tub.